Hi Ed, hi Ava. Following my last coaching call with Ava and the questions that I've been putting into the live calls with Ed, I wanted to have a little update on progress. So today was my live workshop in sunny Solihull, which I've never been to before. That was an experience. I had 11 people in the room, and my challenge from Ava was to simplify my business and to sell my program, my COA program, to the people in the room. So out of 11, 6 of them have signed up at 1,400 and some pennies, which is absolutely awesome. So it's kind of bringing together all of the hundreds of silly programs that I've been doing over the years under one great, big, beautiful, glorious rainbow umbrella, and I'm absolutely thrilled. So I'm off for a margarita to celebrate, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks, guys.